Today is Friday. That means, Peppy, don't forget, today is your speed test, right? Right. Also, dictado test, right? Right. Okay, don't forget, Friday's that day. Make sure, and only 1 minute, no cheating, right? I don't cheat. Well, I'm sure you don't. No, that's nasty. I want to see how good I can be, right? If I cheat, then I don't know if I'm learning. Right, we don't cheat because that's lying and stealing. Yes, I don't cheat. Mm-mm. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Well, anyway, let's count today. Let's see. Should we start from 51 today? 51. Well, we can do that. I'm sure. It's new that we've done the other ones. So, okay. Ready, guys? Okay. On the odd numbers, remember, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. And if we go backwards, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Okay, ready. Is everybody standing up? Darielle, are you standing? Samuel, are you standing, Samuel? Everybody, Nylea, are you standing up? Everybody, please stand up. Attention. Okay, let's start counting. Are we ready? Everybody with me, please. 51? 51. 51. 49, 47, 45, 43, 41. 39, 37, 35, 33, 31. 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Woo-hoo. Okay, you ready for the back wall? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you guys can sit down, okay? Boom. Down, boy, down. Okay, here we go. You want to start with the numbers or the wall today? Let's change it. Let's do the numbers first. Okay, here we go. Who are you going to start with? Let's start with Evan. Evan, half of 20, please. 10. Alexandra, half of 10. 5. Darielle, half of 4. 2. Samuel, half of 14. 7. Abby, half of 16. 8. Alessandro, half of 12. 6. Daniela, half of 6. 3. Saudi, half of 8. 4. Hazard, half of 22. 11. Joshua, half of 24. 12. Allison, half of 18. 9. Oh, that's the end. Okay, so on the wall, please. Okay. Nylea, how many days in a week? 7 days. Roberto, how many months in a year? 12. Lizelle, how many hours in a day? 24. Right? Right. Evan, how many seconds in a minute? 60. Alessandra, how many minutes in an hour? 60. Darielle, how many inches in a foot? How many inches? 12. How about Samuel? How many feet in a yard? No. 3. And Avi, how many inches in a yard? 12. And last one, Alessandro, what are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Good job. All righty, good job. Thank you there, Peppy. Let's see. Today's math paper. We need this one here. Now this one's going to be a little funny because this is made for kids in the United States, but that's really okay because we can make it work. Okay, so we start up here, and this part here, put the time in, easy sneezy. This one here, just circle in each row, circle the biggest number. Circle the biggest number, okay? Down here we have 3 thermometers. And these are thermometers for this time of year in the United States. But it never gets this cold here in Honduras. Never, ever, 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 ever. Okay? So the first one is 70 degrees. Well, sometimes it gets 70 degrees, but not very often. If it's been raining, okay, for a long time, and sometimes like in January, it might get 70 degrees. And that's when you guys put on your jackets and your hats. 70 degrees, it's not cold at all. No, because in the United States at 70 degrees, we don't wear jackets. We don't even wear a jacket. Now, if it's raining, we do to stay dry, but no, we don't wear a jacket. And see, that's how warm it usually is like inside our house. Inside your house, it's about that many degrees, 70 degrees. Inside your house, okay, it's like this. Not even at nighttime. Not even at nighttime it gets, well, maybe early in the morning when you first get up, it's about this cold, but not really. When it rains, on a rainy day, it'll be this cold, okay? That's 70 degrees. Okay, this one, see, okay, so see there where it says 70, right? See how it goes right up to that 70, okay? Here it says 40 degrees. Okay, this time of year, that's about what it is outside, and kids like to go out and play. They wear like a sweatshirt or a heavy sweater, okay? Or maybe a little jacket. And that's how cold it is in your refrigerator, okay? Yeah, how would you like to sit in there? You would die, right? But see, kids in the United States, they just wear a sweatshirt. Don't even think about it, okay? Okay. This one here is what it's like this time of year if you're inside your barn. See, because it's cold outside, but inside it's not quite that cold, especially if you've got animals in there, okay? So inside a barn, how many degrees is that? It's 50 degrees. See how it brings all the way up to that line, okay? And that's how you tell the temperature, okay? And we call them degrees, okay? So down here in the box, oh, the other thing is, okay, so in your box, that first one is how many degrees? Inside houses. Okay, here's your box, and you're going to put 70 degrees in there, right? 70. For this one here, right? Little girl sitting inside her house with her little cat, okay? Okay, you're going to see that little circle there? Is that a little circle? That circle stands for degrees. That's what that stands for, degrees. Just like we said, inch is IN, or maybe 2 little marks like that. Degrees is a little circle. Okay, so you just fill in each one of those boxes. The side of paper, what do the directions say? Count by ones. Okay, directions down here. We have an apple tree. I love apples. We used to grow apples, the best apples. My favorite apples are the ones we used to grow. We grew all kinds of different ones, but there was one that we had at our house that was so good. And I haven't had that in long time since my daddy had to chop down the tree because it got old. But they were really good apples. They kind of tasted like, do you guys like green apples? Kind of tasted like a green apple. Love them. Okay, those apples are good with peanut butter. Did you ever put peanut butter on an apple? Did you ever do that? Peanut butter and apples. Yep, yummy. Especially those green ones. Okay, but here's the directions. Directions, it says, color the apples that have a number that are greater than 50. So you say 37, is that greater than 50? No, it is not. So are you going to color that one? No. Now, if you don't want to color it, you just want to put an X over it, you can do that. I don't care. Now, if you don't want to waste your time coloring, just put it, if it's over 50, put an X or color it or whatever you want to do. Okay? That's your homework for today. And you have a good weekend. Okay? And we'll come back on Monday with the new lesson.